Welcome to Asharfa English.
Conversation 1. Going to the airport.
Hello, are you free?
Yes, where do you want to go?
I need to go to the airport.
All right, please get in.
How much will the fare be?
Around $80.
That's fine. Let's go.
Do you want a Sion?
No, it's okay.
All right, let's move.
How long will it take?
Around 30 minutes if traffic is light.
That sounds good.
Do you have a flight soon?
Yes, my flight is in 2 hours.
No worries, we'll reach on time.
Is the road busy today?
Not too busy, it's smooth now.
Great. I don't like being late.
Me too, I always drive fast but safe.
Do you drive to the airport often?
Yes, many passengers go there.
Is parking allowed there?
Yes, for a short time only.
Please stop near gate 2.
Sure, I'll drop you there.
Do you accept card payment?
Yes, card or cash is okay.
I only have card today.
That's fine, I have a card machine.
Do you use a meter?
Yes, it's already on.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I meet many people daily.
That's nice. Do people tip well?
Sometimes, it depends on the day.
Do you work every day?
Only 6 days a week.
Do you get time to rest?
Yes, Sunday is my family day.
That's good. Do you live nearby?
Yes, just 10 minutes from here.
Have you been a taxi driver long?
Yes, for almost 12 years.
That's a long time.
Yes, I enjoy the freedom.
Do you listen to music while driving?
Yes, I like old songs.
Can you play some music now?
Of course, here's a soft one.
This is a nice song.
It's one of my favorites.
Do you get many airport rides?
Yes, especially in the morning.
Do you know all airport gates?
Yes, I've memorized them all.
That's helpful. You seem experienced.
Thank you. I try my best.
Do you speak other languages too?
Yes, a little bit of English and Spanish.
That's great for this job.
Yes, it helps with foreign tourists.
Do you ever take breaks?
Yes, I stop for tea sometimes.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
Mostly tea. It keeps me fresh.
Me too. I love strong tea.
Then you're a true local.
We are getting close, right?
Yes, just 5 more minutes.
Please don't go too fast.
Sure, I will slow down.
There's gate 2. Please stop here.
All right, here we are.
Thanks for the safe ride.
You're welcome. Have a great flight.
Conversation 2. Airport pickup.
Can I sit?
Yes, sit in.
I need to go to the Green Hotel.
Great. Please put your bag in the back.
Thank Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's start.
How much will it cost there?
Around $40, not more.
That's a bit much. Discount.
Okay, I'll take $35.
That's better. Thank you.
No problem. You are welcome.
How long will it take?
Around 25 minutes with traffic.
Okay, that's fine.
Do you want a Sion?
No, it's okay.
All right, let's move.
The weather is nice today.
Yes, it's cool today.
Do you drive every day?
Yes, 6 days a week.
Can we stop for water?
Sure, there's a store ahead.
I'll be quick.
No rush. Take your time.
Got the water. Let's go.
Okay, seat belt on, please.
Done.
Perfect. Off we go.
Do you have kids?
Yes, 2 daughters.
That's nice.
They're both in school.
Do they like school?
Yes, especially math.
I was bad at math.
I was too, haha.
Is Green Hotel far now?
Just 10 minutes left.
That's fast.
No traffic today.
That's lucky.
Very lucky indeed.
Is this your car?
Yes, I own it.
It's very clean.
I clean it every day.
That's good service.
I like happy customers.
What's your name?
I'm John, and you?
I'm Lisa.
Nice to meet you, Lisa.
Same to you, John.
Almost there now.
Do you work at night too?
No, just during the day.
You're a good driver.
That means a lot.
Have a great day.
You too. Enjoy your stay.
I'll call you next time.
I'll be happy to drive.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.